So I think there's a combination of things that contributed to only using males in research. So I think for some people, it's just what they always did, and it never really occurred to them to use females. I think there's probably some unconscious bias where, maybe when there were more males in the field, they just studied male animals and didn't really think that much about it. There was also another piece to this, which is that because female rats, just like female humans, have a ovarian hormone cycle. In rats, it's called the estrous cycle. And so there's predictable fluctuations in ovarian hormones. Some people were under the impression that these ovarian hormones would make female data more variable. Because we have these circulating hormones, the data is going to be more variable. If data are more variable, it's going to be difficult to find an effect. So let's just use males because they're less variable. Well, there's been a lot of recent evidence to suggest that both male and female rats are equally variable. And hormones contribute to that variability in both because males also have different levels of testicular hormones, and they can contribute to things like social dominance, which is a factor that can affect studies in males. So there's a lot of data to suggest that the idea that females are more variable is just debunked. It's not true. And so I think like debunking that myth has helped because it makes people more willing to include both sexes, and they should no longer be worried that by including females, their data will be more variable, because there's just different sources of variability for males and females, but data is variable in both.